I need to get off fast before it stains. Save it. What do you think?
I can reach it. Hello guys, I'm at Yusuf's.
I'm Yusuf.
It's Yusuf. You got on the computer. Yusuf got an Xbox One S. You got one too?
Yeah, I told you, remember?
No.
I have candles in my room, as I told
Do
you.
you?
I
You told me.
It's not that big of an event. I think it's out. Look, ready?
It's such a cool lighter.
Flame on!
Anyway, we're gonna do some stuff with the Xbox One S. Review and unboxing coming soon.
I've done the unboxing, but review.
But he hasn't uploaded it, so. Guys, Yusuf has made us a very nice playlist of most of my daily vlogs.
Every single daily vlog.
But I'll probably forget to put them all in there.
I'll add them in for you, don't worry. So basically, what you guys should do is if you have spare time and you really want to see what Harrison's been doing over the last few months,
Just tap here.
I'll have it on, so if you're on PC, you'll probably be able to you'll probably be able to see it straight when you enter the Tech Geeks channel. So, basically, so as soon as you enter the Tech Geeks channel, and then it will pop up there. So that's cool. And if you want, you've got 25 daily vlogs there for you, and there's still going to be more vlogs for Hassan.
More vlogs, and there's the Xbox One S. Check our Snapchat there. There should be a picture of the snack code here. Go and check us on there because I've just posted some stuff on there about it. Cool.
Hello! We just done a video on my Xbox One S. I love that thing. I love my baby.
He's just been filmed that video. That's fun.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna go to.
Oh my god! Feel how hot my phone is.
Okay, we're off the bus. Yusuf's got some sushi and I've got the soy sauce. I'm going to drink it all live on camera. This is a whole thing of soy sauce. Ready? It burns.
I don't know how you can do that. I love sushi. I just had 2 packs of it.
There's a bit in the bottom and I can't get it. Hi guys, we're at the park. We're at the park and you're on my bike stand, so that's why it's quite wobbly and the audio isn't there. So Ubis and Spike is here. Can Spike get into this?
Hang on, can I get into the shop?
No. Yeah. We're both on our bikes. We'll go over to Yusuf.
It's not a great angle, but it's quite a good stand, to be honest.
We're just going to walk the dogs and then we might do scooters. Hello, we're just at Spike. Spike's just sold his scooter.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. Spike's just sold his old petrol one.
Who's playing PewDiePie 2 later?
What have you got?
Level 5.
But we're just going to do scooters now and the seafront, so that'll be
Harrison 6.
Do you
cool.
want to do scooters?
Yeah, scooters, cool.
I've got my keys.
Keys.
And I'll do nothing. You can't cycle on your bike, Harrison.
What are those?
That's cringy. Isn't that cringy, guys?
No.
Say in the comments that's cringy.
Let me say you, Crocs, socks and school uniform.
That's the point. Crocs, socks, school uniform.
Crocs and shorts, absolutely fine, no problem. Crocs, socks, school uniform,
You went the wrong way.
problem.
It's not my fault. I just put on the first things I could find.
So did I.
I need to get to my job, my dog walking.
He's done his dog walking, stop lying.
What? So do you want me to go all the way back home just to get a pair of shoes?
Yes. Spike.
That's Spicky.
Spicky. Spicky. Spicky.
Put her in!
That's such a bad idea.
Isn't it?
Good one, vlogs.
Sorry, get out of the way.
Bike scooter's broken.
Oh God, it's so heavy.
Don't think I'm being rude just watching you and laughing. I've just got to add this to the vlog.
Oh my God, what's wrong with this thing?
The It just won't move whatsoever.
The chain's literally jammed the wheels shut. Thanks, Evo. Okay, thank you.
Are we going in?
Later.
See you later. Hi guys, I'm home now and I'm going to end it here. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in tomorrow's vlog.
Life, who you know got a home, but seen to live on the road, looking like a black gypsy in a caravan of bros.